There are three different types of device installation options: OBD, terminal, and wireless. An OBD device is connected to the OBD port of the vehicle. A terminal device is connected to the terminal of the vehicle's battery, and a wireless device is just like it sounds. It's wireless. This means it does not need to connect to a power source within the vehicle. There are specific ways that each of the devices are installed, but every Ikon device goes through the same initial steps and calibration sequence. The supplies you will need to install the device are zip ties and serial number stickers. The sticker is taped on the device itself in the packaging. When you unbox an Ikon device, here's what you'll typically find: the device itself, a power cable, and a set of 3 matching identification stickers. These stickers correspond to the ID on the device and are used for consistent record keeping across inventory systems. You'll also find a windshield sticker that shows the vehicle is equipped with an Ikon device, which is important for everyone in your dealership to know. Before powering up, take a look at the device label. You'll see a note that says "this side up," and that means it should face upward when installing to ensure the best satellite GPS signal. You'll also notice 2 small indicator lights on the unit. During installation, pay attention to these lights as they confirm device activity and satellite connection. Now, it is as simple as connecting the power cable to the device and plugging it in. All the devices automatically begin a 2-hour calibration phase. During this time, it connects to satellites to determine the coordinates and establishes cellular communication. After the device is calibrated, it will enter a low-power sleep mode. In most cases, the calibration period usually takes about 20 minutes once a cellular connection is established, but can take up to 2 hours to calibrate. This can be dependent on cellular networks and location. The sooner you can get the vehicle out of the shop and out on the lot, the faster it will happen. When the device is active in a vehicle that is running, it will be pinging every 2 minutes. This smart balance allows continuous monitoring without compromising the battery. Once the hardware is in place, you should shift your focus to the digital side of the setup. To begin the digital setup, you will need to open the Ikon install app on your device and begin uploading the vehicle's information. You'll need to enter the VIN, make, model, stock number, color, and mileage. This step is important because it helps the device connect to the dealership systems right away. After you've entered all the vehicle's details into the app, throw away any packaging in the trash right away. Then do a quick look around to make sure that you didn't leave anything behind in the car. With just a few smart steps and a clean finish, you've not only turned on your Ikon device, you've also set the stage for everything that comes next.